If you are wondering if you need to buy a charger or power adapter for iPhone 17e, then the answer is probably yes. Of course, it actually depends on your situation. If you are expecting to have a power adapter inside the box once you get the phone, then of course you will not be able to get it. You cannot really expect the power adapter to be included, so in this case, you need to purchase the power adapter separately. On the other hand, if you already have a power adapter, to be precise, USB-C power adapter, then in this case, you don't have to replace it really. You can use, of course, the original USB-C cable that we got inside the box, and you can, of course, use it to charge the phone. On the other hand, you can also use the USB-A power adapter, but in that case, you will have to use a different cable other than the original one. To be exact, of course, USB-C to USB-A, because iPhone 17e has USB-C port. And if you have a power adapter, but your previous iPhone is, for example, iPhone 14 or some older devices, older iPhone I mean, then in that case you probably have a power adapter that is suited for Lightning cable, which is of course not going to work really, unless you have like some sort of a cable that converts the Lightning into USB-C or something like that. Then of course it might work, but generally speaking, you need a power adapter with ideally USB-C cable if you don't want to replace the original cable, and it is not included inside the box, so you have to purchase it separately. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.